All right, we got this really nice 17.3-inch display business laptop computer. I really love this computer. I especially love the display. 17.3 inches, nice and big, but still portable as a laptop. This has 2 to 2.9 gigahertz, 11th generation Intel Celeron processor. So that is amazing. It's got 16 gigabytes of RAM, which makes multitasking. You want to have all sorts of windows open. You want to play games on your computer. You're going to be able to do that on this computer. This thing's absolutely amazing. Then it's also got 512 gigabytes of storage. So massive, absolutely massive storage, which is going to come in very handy for basically anyone, especially if you are using this for business, you're using this for work. This is what you want. Amazing keyboard and mouse area, nice and big, but also just a beautiful keyboard. As you can see, the mouse pad like that. I'm going to just go ahead. I'm going to open up. Let's just watch some videos. Let's just show you. We got some big Herc open. I'm just going to show you what the quality of the video. As you can see, just an amazing, just amazing picture. Look at the amazing picture. Just absolutely amazing. You've got a webcam right here that if you want to close it, you just press this in and it closes the webcam. That way no one can see you. You want to open it, just open it right up. Then you come over to the side, you can see all the various ports, the USB ports, the different ports over there. You got this mouse pad right here. If you want to use the mouse, you can either use this or you can use the mouse pad right here, as well as there's also all these ports over here. Just a great computer, great value. You need this. Highly recommend.